Good day to my future employer. I am Maureen Costales, 29 years old, single parent and blessed with three beautiful daughters, ages 9, 7, and 4-year-old. I am high school graduate. I am honest, hardworking, and responsible. I have experience as domestic helper here in Philippines last 2012 to 2014. My main duties are cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and marketing. I am also taking care of children ages 10 and 7 last 2014 to 2018. I am also work in store last 2018 to 2025. Sir, ma'am, I hope you will choose me as your helper. I will promise to finish my contract and promise to follow rules and regulations. Thank you and have a nice day.